Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. This driver did not want to take the exit. I think someone is confused here. Two idiot drivers using the shoulder this morning. Blind drivers on the road. There is constantly accidents at this intersection. What pisses me off is the way he kept trying. This driver lost control when speeding and crashed into a mechanic. Dude, just take the L on making the right turn. Merging must be really hard here. Always wear gloves and be mindful of your speed. This driver was in a hurry. This idiot on his skateboard thinks he's a car and still runs a red light anyway.
Thanks, fuck. This douchebag just fucking runs a red light because he's on a fucking skateboard. He thinks, fuck it.
I'm also the idiot for not noticing the potential accident. If me or the Kia driver hadn't stopped, who would be at fault?
Sorry.
This Tesla driver
Is this the best thing you have to do today?
calls them
No,
homophobic
I
slurs.
find it. I don't want to have anything to do with you things.
We don't either.
Stop running your mouth at me and I won't react to you.
Got it.
I want nothing
sorry.
more than to rip off your head and spit down your throats.
Got it. Yeah, we're sorry.
You cyclists screw up all the streets.
Okay.
Like, you're unbearable. You run around in your spandex and your baggy little helmets, and then you run your mouth at me as I try to drive to work. You're such bitches.
Sorry about that.
I'm sorry Elon Musk said things that hurt your feelings.
No, we were just trying to poke fun at the gas pedal issue.
You're trying to be a bitch.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. We were honestly, it was just the recent the gas pedal headlines.
When you
The recall.
yell at people when you're on your bike as they drive by.
Well, we get
Talk shit to them
we
for no
get
reason.
we get heckled a lot by people in cars, and we're sorry. We're just being stupid kids. Yeah. Honestly.
Someday you're gonna say the wrong thing to the wrong dude. Might have
Understood.
been that dude.
Understood. Yeah. Sorry about that. Have a good day.
I'll just get on this highway and take 3 lanes. Hope you don't mind.
Wholeheartedly recommend that against that, but well, congratulations, guys! I just saved our life.
Thank you. Shit.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.